Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a LinkedIn button to your Wix page. This is a great way to increase professional engagement and make it easier for visitors to connect with you or your business on LinkedIn. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website to access your site settings. Now you'll see a preview of your website settings. This is an important step because you want to make sure that this is the correct website where you want to add the LinkedIn button. Take a moment to verify that you're working on the right site, especially if you manage multiple websites under your Wix account. Once you've confirmed you're on the right website, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find it on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on this button to proceed. This will take you into the editing interface where you can make changes to your site's design and functionality. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. From here, locate the App Market button on the left navigation menu and click on it. The App Market is Wix's hub for adding new features and functionality to your website, so it's a crucial tool to know your way around. The Wix App Market will expand, revealing a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type in LinkedIn button and hit Enter. This will bring up all the available apps related to LinkedIn integration, but we're looking for one specific app that will suit our needs perfectly. Once the search results appear, look carefully through the options. You're searching for the LinkedIn button app that has the description Boost Engagement with LinkedIn app. Once you've found it, click on it to view more details. This app is specifically designed to add a functional LinkedIn button to your Wix page, making it easy for visitors to engage with your professional profile. You'll now be directed to the LinkedIn button app overview page. Take your time here and scroll down to read through the app's features and user reviews. This gives you valuable insight into how the app performs and what other users think about it. You can also check the pricing and plans section to see if there are any costs associated with the app or if the free version meets your needs. Once you're satisfied and ready to proceed, scroll back up and click on Add to Site. A permissions window will appear, presenting you with a list of all the functions the LinkedIn button app is requesting access to. Read through each item listed carefully. These permissions are necessary for the app to function properly on your site. Once you're comfortable with the access requests, click on Agree and Add. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the app is being installed. The installation process is usually quick, and once it's complete, the LinkedIn button will be automatically added to your website page. At this point, all you need to do is log into your LinkedIn account to connect it with the button, and you're all set. There you have it, a fully functional LinkedIn button on your Wix page that will help boost your professional connections. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.